Hello everyone, welcome to our channel TechMate. So in this video, I'm going to explain you important questions in chemistry. So if you want to gain more marks, get good percentage, I think chemistry is better option because in chemistry we can expect questions. So here I by comparing previous year questions, I have shortlisted some questions. I think this would be help you a lot to get good marks. So here let's dive into this topic. So from unit 1, the important questions are fluoride ion selective electron method. This is the most repeated question. So most expected question, this is fluoride ion selective electron method. Next, ion exchange method. This is also important question, I can say. And sometimes they will not give ion exchange method, they can also give like external treatment, or softening treatment, or boiler fed treatment. So you can identify which type of question they are asking. They can confuse you, but you shouldn't confuse. Next we have steps involved in the treatment of potable water. This will be quite easy, like it is step by step process, you will easily understand, so just prepare it. This is also repeated question. Next, reverse osmosis process. Next we have potable water specifications. See, here also we have treatment of potable water, and here we have potable water specification. Identify the difference. When the question they will give, you should read thoroughly. Okay, in this treatment you will have steps to convert municipal water into purified water. But here the specifications like pH value or calorific value, what the water specification should be there. So this will be some points. This is also easy. They can ask for 4 or 5 marks. And breakpoint of chlorination and Colgan conditioning. In previous year paper, they asked this for 4 marks and this for 3 marks. And boiler troubles, like boiler problems, you already know sludge and scale and caustic embrittlement. This is very important question, so prepare this. And they can also ask like this, problems related to EDTA, like calculate total hotness of water. So in your lab you will be having EDTA experiments, so you can aware about this, so prepare this is also, because to get good marks you have to prepare this all. But just to pass, I am insisting you, assisting you to prepare this question and this fluoride ion selective electrode method and ion exchange method, steps involved in treatment of potable water. And after you completion this, go to this boiler troubles. Okay, these star points are very important. After completion of this question, star questions, you can go to this type of questions. Next, from unit 2, you should mainly focus on batteries. So we have 4 types of batteries, I think so. Zinc battery, lithium ion battery, methanol oxygen fuel cell battery, solid oxide fuel cell battery. So from these batteries we can expect one question definitely. So mostly prepare batteries question first. And see, here zinc battery is very like it doesn't have more matter. So by this question they can also add like applications of solar cell, or like primary and secondary reserve batteries like this. So by preparing these long questions, you should also focus on small questions like this. because they will combine these questions for 10 marks. So mainly focus on batteries first. And next, for corrosion topic, you have cathodic protection and corrosion control topic. This is very important. Prepare this first in corrosion. And next you have electrochemical corrosion. And this is also called as wet theory. Don't confuse. These are same topics but different names it have. And it is dry corrosion mechanism. It is not repeated, but maybe chance it can be repeated. So these are the topics. Okay, we also have factors affecting rate of corrosion, galvanic and pitting corrosion. So these are the topics, important topics in unit 2, but mainly focus on batteries. After finishing batteries, you need to focus on other. After finishing batteries and next cathodic protection, you go through all this. Next, from unit 3, write preparation properties and applications of Teflon, butyl rubber and bakelite, Buna S and Tycol rubber. From this they can ask any 3 or 2 and their preparation properties and application. But this is very important question. You should prepare a lot from this chapter. Next, difference between thermosetting and thermoplastics. So this is asked one time, and differences would be easy, so you should prepare this also. Vulcanization of rubber and how it is carried out and its merits, they can ask like this also. This is also important question. Next, conducting polymers, its applications, and they can also ask trans-polyacetylene molecule conduction with this. Conducting polymers also very important question. Freed radical polymerization, it is also important questions. Next, after focusing on these stars questions, go through these questions. Applications of polylactic acid and properties and applications of synthetic rubbers. All are repeated, but I observe these questions are repeated more. So after going to this, you have to see these questions. They are also repeated, but I observe these questions are repeated more. Okay. Next, from unit 4, fish cut trophies method. This is very important. Important. You should prepare from unit 4. First, you go to this topic. Next, transistorification process. They frequently asked this also. Next, proximate and ultimate analysis of code. I can say this is important question. So first, mainly go through these questions. After going through this, next go to these all questions. Calorific value. They can ask the relation between net calorific and gross calorific value for 5 marks. Okay. They can also ask high calorific value and low calorific value difference between them. So also see this topic. This is also repeated. So after focusing on this, go through this octane numbers and serial numbers, knocking characteristics, fractional distillation of crude oil. It is also called refining of petroleum. Don't confuse, this is related to same topic. And LPG and CNG gases. Moving bed and fluid bed. This is similar to Fischer-Tropsch process. When you read this, also cover this, because we may not know which will come, because these two are same, like same process, somewhat similar. Okay. Next, from Unit 5. So before starting chemistry, first I prefer you to go to Unit 5 because you have only some questions, and I think it will be easier for you to start. So in this Unit 5 you have mechanism of lubricants. In this you have thick film, thin film, extreme pressure. You should cover these three. They can ask any two or three for 10 marks. This is very important question. Next, smart materials and importance. This is also repeated question. It will be easier. And classification of lubricants, characteristics and important properties of lubricants. Go through this question also because you only have some topics. Just cover all these topics. Portland cement, and in this you will be having setting and hardening of cement. This is very important question, I can say, and cover all these topics first in Unit 5. I think Unit 3 is somewhat difficult because you will be having chemical reactions and equations. It will be difficult for you to understand. So I will first focus on Unit 5. Okay, after completion of Unit 5, go through Unit 2. Because in Unit 2, I have already told you, just focus first on batteries. It will be also easier. And next go to corrosion topic. After that, go to first unit because you in mid one and before they will explain you first unit a lot. So I think you will be aware of first unit more. So revise those topics, and in this also you will have small topics only. It will be easier for you to understand. After first unit and go to fourth, and at last you go to third unit. I'm not saying this is hard topic, but for some people it may be hard. So I'm just suggesting you to prepare last. But if you want to prepare third unit first, as your wish. So these are the topics. I hope you understood everything better, and I think this video will be helpful for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. And if you need more videos like this, comment below in the comment section so I can do more videos if you like this. Thank you for watching this video.